looking print advertisement could be in problem, and we explain why. Stay tuned and learn advertising compliance with real case studies. Stanley, a reputed furniture brand, has this beautiful print advertisement in which they state, "Stanley as original as you." But they also go on to say, "You are worth it." Because You're Worth It is an iconic tagline by L'Oreal, which was coined in 1971 by Elon Specht, a 23-year-old female copywriter at Manhattan ad agency McCann. Because You're Worth It is a 50-year-old tagline, and if Stanley really wants to stay original, they should drop it pronto, because if L'Oreal were to challenge this advertisement, the complaint would fall under Chapter 4 of the Advertising Code of the Advertising Standards Council of India, which is all about fairness in advertising. As per Chapter 4.3 about plagiarism, avoid using taglines or slogans similar to other advertisers and stay out of trouble. It's simply not worth it. Complaint proof your ads today. Subscribe for more.